beginning of award season. That means a lot of fabulous swag for celebrities.
Oh, yes, the free stuff. Allie McKay joining us live from Los Angeles. She's at the Golden Globes Style Lounge.
But I'd rather have a little mini donut. That's where the Fry Girl comes in. You may have the cutest dang setup I've ever seen, Shelly. Look at these little donuts. And you're thinking to yourself, stars aren't eating little donuts. They've got to have a ton of calories. What say you, Shelly?
Well, these donuts are cooked in canola oil, so they're only 1 gram of fat per donut, 26 calories, and 3.5 grams of carbs. So anybody, even on a diet, maybe can even have a little snack.
26 calories in that little donut. That is fantastic. You could have, really, probably 15, and that's your day, right?
That's true. Why not?
And you put powdered sugar on, you put cinnamon on, and you go to all different events, right? How do people get you to come to an event?
They just give me a call. My link will be on the website. My website will be online.
And you do bar mitzvahs, bat mitzvahs, weddings, all sorts of stuff. Anywhere people like mini donuts.
Hey, those donuts look delicious.
Wow.
Is there real sugar in there, or what do they?
Is it real sugar? How do you make it such low calorie?
Well, because they're cooked in canola oil, they cook very fast. They don't absorb a lot of the oil.
Okay.
It's like they're seared on the outside, so the food itself doesn't absorb a lot of oil.